Why don't we plus verb is used to make a suggestion to someone to do something together. Examples. Why don't we go for a ride? Why don't we check the cell phone in her room? Why don't we watch the basketball game in the stadium? Why don't we meet the investors as soon as possible? Why don't we solve this problem once and for all? Why don't we go to the doctor and ask about our grandmother's condition? Why don't we have a dinner date tonight? Why don't we study law together? Why don't we develop our land into a flower garden? Why don't we sleep early tonight and just wake up early? Why don't we look for solutions to our problems rather than just complain?